Hi guys, Angela Brown here, and today we're going to talk about how to get the best headshot photo for your avatar, for your social media, and also for your business listing. All right, there are a couple of things that we want to cover, and one of them is this. We want to do it against a blank wall, against a blank backdrop. It's a blank canvas. There are no other distractions. We're not outside. We're not inside. There are no distractions, okay? The focal point of this picture are my eyes. That's what we're going for here in this picture. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to do a shower and make sure that your hair is done. And if you're a woman and you put makeup on, make sure that you have your makeup on, that you're ready to rock and roll. Then you want to wear a bright color because the bright color is going to complement your face. And your hair is a frame that goes around the face, which is your face. And then the clothing is going to accent that. We don't want any big scarves or anything with flourishes. We don't want anything that's low cut. We don't want any distractions at all because the focal point of this picture are my eyes. Now, you have heard the saying that eyes are the window to a person's soul. And so right now in this picture, we're going to, with our eyes, say, "Hi, I'm Angela, and I would like you to hire me," or "Hi, whatever your name is." Okay, cool. So what I've done here is I'm standing in a bedroom in my house. And it's just a blank wall. I found just a small area that doesn't have any pictures or anything on the wall that I can stand in front of to take a picture. Now, when I stood in front of a blank wall, there was a shadow behind me. So I took a small bedroom lamp and I put it behind me. And that creates a little ambiance on the wall, which then erases the shadow. And I just stand in front of it, kind of position myself in front of it so that it removes the shadow behind me. That way we don't have to do anything in Photoshop or in post-production to make this photo look great. Okay, super. Now I'm actually recording in video mode right now. And because I'm recording in video mode, this allows me then to just freeze a frame from the video. So we don't have to stand there and like pose like, we don't have to do that, okay? We're just gonna freeze a frame from the video and that's going to be your still. All right, now in order to get the very best picture, there are a lot of people that don't actually know how to take pictures of themselves. And we don't want a candid shot like, okay, now I'm posing, because then it looks candid and it looks like you're posing. What we want is we want to catch a natural moment. So how do we catch a natural moment? All right, so now you're in front of the camera, you've set up your lighting, and you're going to step close enough to the camera. Do you see where my microphone is? We're going to step close enough to the camera that that disappears right out of view. And that is where we want the headshot to be. So I'm just going to step closer to the camera. And now there's not a lot of headroom. I want to leave a little box. I want like this much. So I'm just simply going to bend my knees until now I'm back in frame. See how that works? Awesome. Okay, cool. This is about where I want my photo to be. So I'm going to stand right here. Nobody except you and me knows that my knees are bent. And now I'm just kind of like crouching down or squatting. All right, so now I want to get my attitude in the right place because my attitude is going to be, hey, I'm super cool and I'm fun and I want you guys to work with me. Okay, so here you are standing in front of your camera. You've set up the lighting. You've set up the height. Now I want you to start laughing. What? What does that have to do with anything? It's crazy, I know. But when you laugh, it relaxes all of your facial muscles. So we're going to stand here and we're just going to start laughing and you're going to look like a fool and it doesn't matter. All right, and now we're ready to take a picture. See, that was awesome. What it did is it relaxed all the muscles in my face. It relaxed my eyes. It just relaxed everything. Put a little bit of oxygen into my bloodstream. Okay, now I'm in the right spot and now I'm just going to stop and half smile. See, that's way better than the... So we just have a relaxed smile. We just have a relaxed, ready to go, hi, I'm ready for you to hire me kind of look. We do need you to be still for just a second because if you are in constant motion, when you go to freeze the frame, it's going to be blurry. All right, so this is how you're going to take your best shot for an avatar and your social media. Now here's a trick. Use the same photo. When you get a really great photo, use the same photo on all of your social media profiles. The reason is this: it creates a consistency. When people go to your Facebook and then they go over to your business listing, they go, oh, that's the same person. I love this person on Facebook. And so when they go over to your business listing, oh, yes, I know this person. This is the person I want to hire to come clean my house. And so what happens when you have a picture of your dog in your social media profile, there's a disconnect. They don't know if you are in fact the same person that they've grown to know and love. So you want to make sure you use your same profile picture in all of your social medias so that you can create a consistency, and that becomes part of your brand. And that's how you're going to get the best photo for your avatar.